Luminous, a trusted leader in the automotive care industry, is excited to announce the launch of its Certified Installer Program, a groundbreaking initiative designed to raise the bar for professional standards in the car care sector. At Luminous, we're committed to empowering car care professionals with the tools, knowledge, and support they need to deliver unparalleled quality and service. Our mission is to provide the best possible service to our customers. This certification program is a testament to our dedication to enhancing professional standards in the car care industry. The Luminous Certified Installer Program provides training and certification, access to the Luminous Academy for hands-on training, product certifications, and continuous learning. Technical resources, manuals, instructional videos, and troubleshooting materials. Exclusive perks, test samples of the latest products. Certified installers also enjoy a wide selection of cutting-edge car care products, access to exclusive or white label items, comprehensive warranties for peace of mind. Additionally, installers benefit from a specialized support team for technical assistance, marketing tools to grow their business, invitations to members-only networking events. Our Certified Installer Program equips professionals with essential resources, exclusive access, and advanced tools to drive excellence in the industry. Together, we can ensure top-notch care for every vehicle and customer. Visit luminous-me.com/installers or email info@luminous-me.com to join the Certified Installer Program and take your business to the next level.